with the rotary table to control all of this. Review of this. This is the 2 inch.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, Poppy here. Yesterday I tried to record it, but my camera wouldn't cooperate, and Christy's tablet, she recorded it, but she's having trouble figuring out how to email the video of the fire that was just over here yesterday. I mean, 7 blocks. Yeah, 7 blocks. I heard helicopters. And I've gotten like the Vietnamese people during the war. I hear a helicopter, I look. Where's the trouble? Anyway, I go out and look. I see smoke. Christy goes outside and looks, and she says, I see the flames. I go back out. Yeah. My wife saw the smoke jumpers. I mean, first fire of this season in this area, and I saw the fire. I mean, the orange. I hate that color. I'm not even too sure I like orange and opal, and it's supposed to be very desirable. Anyway, I haven't recorded out in the shop since the last one. I'm waiting for a tap that I ordered, a 3/8 24. The tap I showed you that I'm going to use, I looked at it again real good. Yard sale junk. So, garbage. It's not even high speed, it's high carbon. Garbage. So I ordered a 3/8 24 tap from Walmart, since they had I had the credit there, and it's the end of the month. ATM card is only good if you got it in the bank. Otherwise. So anyway, that's supposed to be here like on the 7th of July. The tablet I ordered from my wife will be here like on the 29th. Ordered it 5 minutes after I ordered the tap from the same place. You know. Try and figure it out. Anyway, so I'm waiting for that. And I'm stalled on a couple other major projects. I tried to order the micro make 1/4 inch drill so I can adapt it to my Proxxon drill press head, but they were out of stock. When I got the catalog, the sale catalog, and everything's $10 lower, I said, yes! So now I'm just waiting for first of the month, or whenever the $600 that the state of California wants to give me shows up in the bank or in a check. I don't care which. I'll go down, catch the bus, go to the bank, and somehow get it in. Anyway, That's why I'm that's why I'm stalled on the micro make 1/4 inch drill adapted to the Proxxon drill press attachment, for their Proxxon little. No, I'm going straight to micro make. I believe it will fit. And if it don't fit real quick, I know how to make it. Yeah. Okay, I'm stalled on that because couldn't order the micro make. Couldn't order the micro make 1/4 inch drill. I'm doing that as soon as the money hits. Okay. So there's adapting that to the Proxxon drill press stand. There's drilling the holes for my big milling machine project. That's part of why I ordered the Proxxon drill press stand. That, and I'm going to adapt the quill of it to my shearline milling machine. I figured out like 90% of how I'm going to do it. Bore this hole to fit the clamping bolt, from the vertical column. And I could either go top to bottom with 1/4 20s and put a nice little point to catch that locking bar. Or, since the radial slots around the periphery of that quill assembly are there, I could drill and tap right into the adapter, right? The shearline headstock, riser block adapter, or I can forego those 2 screws and just like I said, 1/4 20 with the nice points, get it from top and bottom, grunt down, it'll lock in. It's just a matter of aligning it to the table and then finding where 0 wants to be. Then I will have a quill for the headstock of my shearline mill. But quills are nice. I mean, turning that little knob is good and high precision and all that, but it kills you. The repetitive motion kills your arm. It's less with a quill. I know some will disagree with me. Of course, those are the guys who are pulling that quill. So, I think it's a matter of proportion there. Okay, so that's an update on why you haven't seen the newest shop vid yet. Now, I'm going to stop this and restart because I've got 3 product reviews to do in the same video, since I came from the same place, in the same order. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe. And hey, you people down in Australia, get vaccinated, mate. I heard only 5% of you are vaccinated. And if the government's screwing up getting the vaccine to you, well, you know how to deal with governments that can't perform, don't you?